It's been only a few months since Samsung launched the Galaxy Z Fold 7, but early leaks about its successor, the Galaxy Z Fold 8, are already starting to roll in. If these reports are anything to go by, the next Fold could bring some serious upgrades that fixes many of the issues users still had with the Fold 7. Now, to be fair, Samsung made some impressive progress with the Fold 7. The company had been lagging behind competitors in terms of thickness, and the Fold 7 tackled that with an 8.9mm profile when folded, making it the sleekest foldable phone on the market right now. It also managed to shave off a noticeable amount of weight, bringing it closer to the kind of comfort you'd expect from a standard flagship phone. Samsung also gave the outer display a big improvement, making it brighter, wider, and looking much more like a traditional phone screen, stretching almost all the way to the edges. Plus, you still get that top-tier processor and the kind of overall polish that shows Samsung's refinement in foldable design. But of course, not everything was perfect. In fact, Samsung removed a few features that fans really cared about. The Fold 7 dropped S Pen support and didn't bump up the battery capacity either, both of which left some users a little disappointed. Thankfully though, it looks like Samsung is taking notes because the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 8 might just fix both of those. According to new reports out of South Korea, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 is expected to feature a larger 5000 mAh battery, a big step up from the Fold 7's 4400 mAh cell. That means we could finally be looking at noticeably better endurance, especially for power users who multitask across both screens all day. And that's not all. Samsung is reportedly working on making the infamous display crease even less visible this time around. The company is said to be using a new laser drilling metal plate technology to smooth out the display, which could make the Fold 8's inner screen look and feel far more seamless. Interestingly, Apple is rumored to be adopting that same technology for its first foldable iPhone next year, and a South Korean supplier named Fine M Tech is reportedly providing the tech for both companies, according to Ming-Chi Kuo. Furthermore, our beloved S Pen could be making a comeback on the Z Fold 8. Yep, after removing it on the Fold 7 to make the device thinner, Samsung is reportedly finding a way to bring it back using a redesigned S Pen with a new kind of technology. If true, that would be a big win not just for Samsung, but for users like us who love that stylus functionality. All in all, Samsung doesn't seem to be slowing down at all. If anything, it's doubling down on everything the Fold 7 did right while addressing what it didn't. And with Apple's first foldable possibly hitting the market next year, you can bet Samsung is going to make sure the Fold 8 stands out. Of course, we're still quite a while away from the official launch, likely around July of 2026, but trust me, the leaks will keep coming, so make sure you're subscribed to the channel to stay up to date with every new Fold 8 development. And as always, don't forget to turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.